In this video, I am talking all about Wondershare Democreator, an amazing screen recorder and video editor. So let's get into it. Wondershare Democreator is really awesome because this is easy to use. So let me jump into the homepage of Wondershare Democreator and show you what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Wondershare Democreator. So as you can see, there are different tabs here on the left hand side. So that's for the media, where you can add transition effects, filters are there, stickers are there, and on the right hand side you can see this is a small preview window, and at the bottom, so that's the main timeline where you can add, cut your videos, cut your pictures. So as you can see, this is the library where you can add media files, whether it's a video, audio, images. You can add it directly from here. So then that's this effects tab here. As you can see, you can remove your background, pan and zoom. There are multiple options, cinematic style, so that's green screen. You can also add facial recognition. Also there are pan and zoom option as well. As you can see, I'm just clicking on that so that you can preview. So this is the cursor effect. As you can see, that's a cursor effects here. That's a click sound. Also there are animated text where you can add different animated text. That's a clip motion. So we'll explore it one by one. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how you can edit the videos, record the screen. So this is the effect. So this is the transition effects. So there are, as you can see, the different transition effects. Also there are annotations. So annotations are nothing but text which you can add to your video. As you can see, there are multiple text options which you can add. Then there are lines and arrows, shapes are there, you can add to your video. So as you can see, there are different shapes. Then we have the captions tab where you can add openers. Then we have subtitles, lower thirds, you can add to your video. I'll just preview it. So as you can see, this is the opener. You can add it to your YouTube video as an intro, or maybe outro you can add. So that's the lower thirds. I'll just preview some of the lower thirds. So then we have the subtitles. So if you want to add subtitles, so then we have the stickers, different stickers. You just have to download it, and within seconds you'll be able to add stickers to your video. So there are lots of options, as you can see. Okay, we also have options for filters where you can add different filters to your video, whether it's black and white, vintage filter. So there are different filters which you can use. So that's the sound which you can add. So this is royalty free music. You can add different sounds directly into their video. You can add music also. These are all royalty free music which I can easily use for your videos. And the last that we have is the SFX store that we have. Also, okay, so what I'm going to do is I've already downloaded few stock videos, and I'm going to show you how you can edit in this video editor. So once screen recording is done, so how you'll be able to edit the video. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, so you just have to import. Okay, I've already uploaded. I'll just add each and every scene here. Okay, so I'll just pick to text. So what I'll do is I'll just try to give a title here. So as you can see, you just have to drag it and drop it. So I'll move the remaining part of the video on the right hand side. I'll edit the text in the opener tab. So as you can see, you just have to replace the keywords here. You can also adjust the color of the text. You can also adjust the transitions. You can increase the size, change the font of the text. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just try to add some transitions between the scenes. So as you can see, you just have to click on transitions and select the transition. You have to drag it and drop it. So select the transition. I've already downloaded few transitions. As you can see, you'll be able to see the effects in the export part. Okay, so you just have to drag it and drop it between the videos. So once that is done, you just have to click on export and select the size and just select the high quality, and that's all. So there you go guys, Wondershare Democreator is really awesome and powerful video editor and screen recorder, and I would recommend it to anybody that needs to record screen and edit videos. So if you are interested in Wondershare Democreator, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.